Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So at last, uh, I'm on a bed, and in this bedroom, Airtel is not available. So Geo,
Sir, how are you now?
I'm not fine yet, not fully fine. I'd like to show you something, especially boys. Okay, just hold on. You can see me now. Just come from this side. Down करें ना. A flat down कर. It is better still. You see this? Is it same by you? All?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is the visor of the helmet, and it has got scratch all from left to right. Right? I fell from bike. Because of a monkey. Monkey tried to commit suicide under my bike, but I went close to a near-death experience. Luckily, I had this helmet, so I'm safe.
मौत को छू के टक से वापस आ गए.
Yeah, and there are bruises on the right and on the left and on the arms, left arm, right arm, with the legs, and a broken bone in the leg. Okay. I was driving a little fast than normal, and so this had happened. Okay. Now we are dealing with the projectile motion. Am I right?
Yes.
What is a projectile motion? Any idea? Definition of projectile motion?
When an object performs motion under gravitational field of Earth with uniform constant acceleration and vertical acceleration and horizontal velocity.
So horizontally uniform velocity and vertically uniform acceleration. Okay. Then we have derived this, proved this theorem 4.7. Have we? I'll share my screen. This we have proved or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, this 4.8 was left. Alright? Or have you solved it?
Left.
Okay. Read the question. Allora, poi adesso mi tocchi un video. Attacchi, guarda qui. करना क्या करें? Okay. Now, this question is important anyway. You have to understand it very carefully. What kind of motion we are going to study? Is it projectile motion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then what you have to find ultimately?
Time taken by stone.
To time taken पूछा है. Okay, look at this. पहला है find time taken by stone to reach the ground. And दूसरा है speed. What will take up the time? Which formula shall we use given the data?
Time of flight.
Time of flight. Okay. Concentrate on this step. Only the highlighted part. Nothing before or after. Tell me which formula they have used. किसको आंसर नहीं आता जियो में से Okay. Let me write it on my paper. Can you see the notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I'm writing for the first time. So we'll start with home and Hare Krishna. This is the condition. You could see. Okay. but today's good day to start with. Okay. My parents' original ink pen is in the school, so I have to manage with this. Stone is landing here. It is traveling entirely horizontally. What is speed given? Is it 15 meter per second? If I am not wrong.
Yes, 15 meter per second.
Okay. And height is 490 meter.
Yes.
क्वेश्चन है कि टाइम फाइंड करो भैया. So see, horizontally you have got uniform. H for horizontal, you have got uniform velocity, and formula is V equal to d by t. Vertically, you have got uniform acceleration, for which you have got the formula t equal to v0t plus half at square. This is second formula, and this is third formula. If you are interested in finding time t out of these four, which is suitable?
Second one.
Let's say this is first, second, third, and fourth. तो कौन सा
Second.
second? D is vertical height. So if I use D here, it is 490. Okay. V0. What shall I write? What is V0?
15 meters.
Initial velocity along vertical. So now when you talk about vertically, then displacement is 490 meter. Velocity, initial velocity is 0. Why 0? Yes, horizontal velocity was 15. But you are discussing vertical motion. So if object is traveling entirely along x-axis, what's its y part? What is its y part then? 0. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Acceleration is given negative 9.8. Then time can be worked out. So instead of D, 490. It's upward or downward? Give it a thought. This is 0 into t plus half minus 9.8 t square. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
ओके. यहाँ पे एक गलती है. दो कौन सी गलती है? कहीं पे साइन का एरर है. स्टोन ऊपर जा रहा है कि नीचे?
नीचे.
So is it upward displacement or downward displacement? Hello? The stone, if it is coming down, should we call it downward displacement of 490 meter, or is it upward displacement of 490 meter?
Downward.
तो नेगेटिव साइन आना चाहिए ना. So negative 490 equal to negative 4.9 t square. Understood? So 490 equal to 4.9. Both sides are made positive. So 490 divided by 4.9 equal to t square. So t square equal to what shall come? T square equal to 100.
100.
So t equal to
10.
plus or
10.
minus 10, but negative time is not possible. So acceptable time is 10 seconds. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
This way there is nothing to be crammed. Given the situation, if you analyze, you will come to know only one formula works. Okay? Okay, what else was asked to find?
Speed.
Speed. What is V? When it hits the ground. तो स्टोन ऐसे करके यहाँ पे हिट करेगा. This is ground. This was its velocity. So it will have an x component. This is v0x, and it will have one y component. This is vx, and this is going to be vy, and this is going to be v. Okay, are you getting it? So if you want to find v, we can use this formula vx square plus vy square. तो हमको स्पीड मिल जाएगा. That means we have to find vx. Shall I write this is nothing but v0x, which was given as 15 meter per second. No calculation. Final velocity horizontally is equal to initial horizontal velocity. How can I say like that? Any idea? Is there any acceleration taking place along horizontal?
No, sir.
No. That means velocity will remain constant. It means initial velocity was 15 meter per second. And same would be the final velocity. So v0x initial speed is same as final speed. Horizontally velocity do not change. Then how will you find Vy, final velocity? Can I write V0 y plus Ayt? So final velocity is equal to initial velocity. What is it? How write in 0?
Horizontal velocity, vertical velocity is 0.
Is 0. Acceleration is negative 9.8. MT we already got 10. So Vy equal to 98 meter per second. But which direction? Downward. Now, fourth is you write 1 for 15. Fourth is you will write 98. Okay, let's see. Okay, and when you substitute, see here, you get the answer. Okay, Jay?
Yes, sir.
Now you'll find that in solution everywhere we have used only vertical motion. हॉरिजॉन्टल पार्ट का तो सिर्फ यहीं पे आया। टाइम फाइंड करने के लिए हमने फॉर्मूला यूज किया था ये v इक्वल टू वी जीरो प्लस ए टी। ये भी एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला है। ये भी फॉर्मूला जो हाईलाइट किया है दैट इज आल्सो फॉर यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन, राइट? ओके, read this one. 4.9. हेलो, बोलो बाबू। The both is relatively better, but still वो जो रफ करूँगा तो रिप्स का रुकेश है। I wonder what is it, and it pains a lot. Oh, मैंने इस राकेश का कि 1 week થઈ ગયો, still ये पेन जतो નથી। अच्छा, ओके, ओके, हाँ 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 हाँ, हाँ, अच्छा, ओके। हाँ सी, hello, am I there? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the ball is thrown, so you are given initial speed v0, 30 degree is theta 0, maximum height hm. So this formula already we have derived. Just put down the values. Now how many of you knows the what is value of sine 30?
1/2.
1/2.
1/2. Okay. Okay. Then the rest of the story is simple. Second is time taken by one to return to the same level. That means time of flight. Time of flight का formula है 2v0 sin theta by g. So again, it is just a matter of putting down the values. And third question was, what is the range? What is range? Again, v0, theta 0 and g. Put down the values. Right? Now this can be asked for 3 marks. Okay? Any doubt in this?
No.
Now, let me see how many of you are present. Switch on your camera wherever possible.
Sir, I can't switch on
Okay.
my camera, but I'm present.
Okay. Fine.
I'm also.
Yeah. Viraj is in our class or in bio group? Sorry, mass group. Good morning, all of you. Okay. We are left with 1 minute roughly. You got any questions to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, shall I? So your homework is that illustration, 2 illustrations which we have solved. All right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So this is an offline assignment. Okay?